guys, welcome back. So this is going to be a quick little intro. I just wanted to say hello, let you guys know we're doing a little reverse tie-dye video today. Even more than tie-dye, I think I love reverse tie-dye because it's more like, oh my nose itches, because it's more like grungy looking and I just can't get enough. So we're tie-dyeing 3 shirts. I tried to do them all a little bit differently so the outcome would be different. So if you guys want to see me do a little reverse tie-dye, do you know what to do? We're gonna tie-dye some shirts. So I have some rubber bands. So graceful. I have this orange Harley Davidson shirt. I don't know what's gonna happen when I reverse tie-dye this one. I don't know what orange is gonna turn out to be. There's a car. I don't know what orange is gonna turn out to be, but we're gonna find out. So we're gonna do that one. I have a brown Harley Davidson tee. Don't know what's gonna happen when I reverse tie-dye this one either, but we're gonna find out. Oh, there's people walking, oh Lord. And then I have this little t-shirt from Walmart, or tank top, that I got in the men's section for like $7. And it's just gray, like a dark blackish gray. So we're gonna do the same to this one. I'm gonna try to do different, not methods, but I'm gonna try to change it up a little bit so they don't all turn out the same. So let's tie-dye. Oh, I also have a gardening glove that I'm gonna put on so I don't burn my hand off with Clorox. I don't have like rubber gloves, so we're just gonna have to use this. And here I have my Clorox and water. I did like 2 parts Clorox to 1 part water. I just kind of throw some Clorox in and then a little water on top. I don't really measure or anything, and it always works out. You can also use toilet bowl cleaner. Fun fact, I've done that, and that works too, but I just have a bunch of Clorox, so I'm just gonna use that. Okay, let's begin. To wrap the shirts, you kind of have to like twist them up. So I'm just gonna lay this one flat. And they say that you can use a fork to like twist it. I usually just use my fingers and just kind of do one of these. Twist it, and then I'm gonna wet it after I twist it just because that's just how I do it. And then you just kind of wanna wrap it like that, and we're gonna rubber band it. Sorry if it's loud out here. I didn't really want to do this inside my house though, because the bleach gets really stinky. And just kind of tuck, if there's any pieces sticking out, just kind of tuck them. This is a little shirt. It doesn't have much weight to it. And I'll do one more right here. It looks like a little pizza. Ah! No! My tarp is gonna blow away. Ah! Oh no! No, wind, stop. Okay, so for the brown one, I'm pretty much gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna start in the middle and twist. Kind of roll that around. And I've done it before where I just bunch the shirt up and rubber band it. You don't. Unless you want it like a certain pattern where it kind of swirls from the middle or something, then you want to be more precise with it. But I like it when it's just kind of willy-nilly. It helps if you wet them. It just helps to absorb better, and I find that the pattern is way more vibrant, so you definitely want to wet them before you start. Okay, I think we're ready to begin. Let's go get our shirts wet and then we can start playing. Alright, so I'm gonna start with the I'm gonna start with the Walmart tank top, and I'm gonna do more of like a pour. So I'm gonna, oh my god, there's so many cars going by. Bitch, what you looking at? So I took the top off. I'm gonna do more of a pour for this one. I kind of want to do it in the grass though, because my grass isn't dead enough. Don't judge my dead grass, it's so bad. Alright, so I want to do more of a pour for this one. It's just what I want to do. I'm not going to pour a ton though. Oh, that's my finger. And then I'm going to flip it over. Do the same thing on the other side. I'm not like dousing the whole thing. Alright, that should be good. Alright, so that one's done. There's a car driving super slow. Love that. Crazy. This one I'm gonna spray. Just so you can see like the different effect it gives. And I don't do it everywhere. I try to be like willy-nilly. And I spray some like deep in the shirt, like I press it against it and like so it gets in the middle. Alright, that should be good. And I changed my mind for the orange one. I'm actually going to take these rubber bands off and I'm just going to spray the shirt while it's open. It gives it kind of a different effect. Alright, so I'm going to spray it like very lightly all over. I don't know if this one's going to do anything. What happens with orange? I have no idea. And then I'm going to take the top off and do a little pour. Just here and there. I'm going to like shake the bottle a little bit so it's almost like a splatter. Oh, it's getting kind of yellow. Well, this might be cool. Okay, and I'm gonna flip it over and do the same thing. I'm gonna do the pour first and then I'll spray it just because it'll be easier. Okay, that's enough. I can't even see like what you guys are seeing. Are we in focus? Are we in frame? And then I'm just gonna spray it a little bit. Oh, it's blowing back on me. I just doused my leg in bleach. That's great. That's great. And now we just need to wait like 10 minutes. It doesn't take long. You don't want to leave it on too long because it will break down the fabric and actually destroy the shirt. So don't leave it like overnight like you do with normal tie-dye. Alright, so here's what we're working with. You can see it's getting a little bit, it's almost just getting like a lighter orange. Orange. People always say I say it weird. I'm gonna flip it over. Let's see what's the front got going on. It looks pretty cool. You know what? I forgot to grab scissors to take the rubber bands off, so I'm gonna go grab them, let this sit for like 10 minutes, and I'll be right back. All I could find were eyebrow scissors, so don't judge. Cut these guys off. It's been about 15 minutes. And they're broken too. Ooh, oh wait, Mama likes this one. Oh, she looks cute. See, it felt like I was putting so much on, but like that's what we got. Oh, it looks good. Oh, I'm happy with this. I could even put a little bit more on. I'm gonna pour a little bit more on. If I mess it up, I'll still wear it. I'm just gonna like Do a little douse like I did with the orange one. Whoa, that was a lot. Okay, that's good. Oh wait, this one got really cool. Oh my god, I love this one. Wait, this is the front. Shut the front door, that looks so good. Are you kidding me? Look how I got like the swirl in the middle. Oh my god, that looks so cool. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna go throw these in the wash, and you wanna like get them in quickly so that it doesn't keep tie-dyeing it. So I'm gonna throw these in the wash and I'll show you the finished product. Okay, shirt number 1. Look how cute she turned out. I am impressed. Usually when I wear this, I tie it. This looks so stinking cute. I love the way the pattern turned out. Excuse my bra. Usually I wear a bralette under this. Oh my goodness. Definite winner. This might be my favorite. This one turned out, it's like so vibrant. Dang. All right, next one. Not my favorite. I wish it would have gotten anything but yellow, but you guys probably knew that it was going to get yellow, but I didn't. I mean, it's better than it was. I'm not a big fan of orange to begin with. I do think it's better than it was. Yeah. It's definitely better than it was. I mean, it's not terrible. I mean, if you like orange and yellow, you probably would really like this. Like, the pattern looks cool. Okay, and the last one, I really like the way it turned out. Okay, this one looks really cool. I actually kind of love this one because I'm a fan of like a neutral tie-dye, like the tans and the creams and the whites. This one turned out really good. There's the back. Wait. Oh, I'm happy with this one. Very, very happy with this one. And I didn't like the plain brown. Like, I never wore this shirt, but now that it's tie-dyed, I definitely will. And I like the pattern on this one. I don't like it when it's too much of like a perfect pattern. I like it when it's more just like willy-nilly. Yeah, this one turned out really cute. Success! I could have done this shirt. This is a long-sleeved Harley shirt, but I love this shirt. It says Chicago on the back. I don't know if I can bring myself, because like if I would mess it up, I would be so ticked off because I love this shirt. And I also have a white long-sleeved Harley shirt that you guys have seen in videos many times. It's so big. It's like a XXX, but I love it so much and I can't bring myself to tie-dye it even though I really want to because I think it would look really cool. Maybe I'll do this one eventually on like Snapchat or Instagram stories. We'll see. I can't bring myself to do it yet though. Alright you guys, so that was my video. Hopefully it was helpful. I know there's a lot of videos on reverse tie-dyeing, whatever. But I feel like it's nice to see different people do it because I feel like everyone kind of has a different like method of doing it. So yeah, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know down below which shirt was your favorite. Okay, I love you guys. I'll see you next time. Peace!
How freaking dare that spider be at my window? Of all the windows, you pick mine? The disrespect is real. I gotta go eat something before I pass out. Because I only had like an ice cream sandwich. And like 4 other things today. And I'm starving. I'm really craving Doritos, but they're not on my diet. I mean, it wasn't an ice cream sandwich either. Oh my god. I'm in a bra. Don't judge. Oh my god, look at me over there looking like a stanko. Let's go with some shirts. Classy, no camera girl. This ain't OnlyFans, sis. Classy, boom.